Today we're reviewing YKY QQLT over the kitchen island single, double, triple pendant lights for the maximum height of around 6 to 8 feet. We have here is the pendulum hung up in full. You're given a spare bar, a 6-inch, an 8-inch, 18 inches to make 7 feet 6 inches. We have here 6 feet right to the base of the unit with the 60-watt maximum light bulb. So if you're looking for something that is for an angled ceiling in the kitchen or raising it up to different types of levels of height, a minimum of 6 inches, that will make it 18 inches or more. We're going to show you how to install and what you get inside the package and what this light is about. This is made of brass, glass, metal of the Gold 1 and other models online. This is black metal and glass with thumb bolts, Allen bolts, and LED light bulb. As we unbox the package, showing nicely how it's presented, remove the protective foam. As we remove the parts, cosmetic covers, supplied bulbs, hardware, and glass housing. In this kit, we have a 10-inch diameter dome. The height is about 10 inches with the single socket cosmetic bracket attachment, 4+ feet of cable, 5 12-inch shafts, 2 6-inch shafts, one hangs, the bottom attaches to the base. The top cover with the ground, the hanging bracket to the junction box, the screws, hardware, anchors, Allen keys, and cosmetic thumb bolts. 60-watt LED bulb, spare included. And a set of universal gloves that fits a large hand. Keep the fingerprints off. Check for the manual on how to install and set up. We have the bracket. It slides on and locks onto the junction box. We're assembling the light base, the double threaded bolt, an Allen key and bolt, a 12-inch bar and 6-inch bar. We've taken one of these out of the actual post. Unravel, snake through the bolt, bring down, screw on to the eye hole meets the silver. Place the bolt on through the hole and secure down. With the top thread, unscrew, snake the leads through and secure down. With the top hook loop, snake the lead through and secure down. Slide the cable all the way to the silver meets the pole and secure down. We have an 18-inch pole. We can make 24 to 5 feet or more. With the top cover, slide your leads through the remaining hole. Open a loop and connect. Close the loop and pull the cable through. Depending on the height, roll up the cable for future lengths and shortness. With the setup, ground your lead and lock down. Connect your load and neutral. secure in place. With the 2 bolts and 1 spear, lift and secure down the plate. With the glass dome, lift up with the 2 openings, slide up, place the thumb bolt on, and start to secure down each of the sides. Evenly secure down. With the rubber clear washers for security and protection, place in a 60-watt maximum bulb and turn on. And the light fixture is completed. Adjust accordingly. It could be hung on sloped ceilings. It is a glass dome. Island light over kitchen bays, living rooms, foyers, and more. At the top of the light to the bottom, we are at 3 feet. With the spare 6 and 12-inch pole, we are at the maximum length. Maximum 60-watt light bulb, light off, hanging in a tall ceiling, living room, A-frame, and more. From the top of the unit to the bottom of the unit, measure 6 feet. Place it on a dimmer switch, wall switch, remote switch. Your LED 6-foot plus hanging pendant light. Glass dome, black bars to the heights you require. The YKY QQLT kitchen light. Check online for further details about the coloring. This one's in black modern with the clear dome. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your hanging needs and light fixture needs for your household. Thank you for viewing.